Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Baby head cup. Full story. One night, back in the days before the light post was so common in Jamaica, a man, let's call him Moss Joe, was living in a bushy country parish. The place was usually dark at nights with only the moon as the main source of light. He was walking home one night from a session by himself. As he walked on the dark dirt road, he saw something strange. He was almost at a crossroad when he saw what looked like a round glowing thing in the distance. As it grew closer, he realized that it was a fireball, but not only that, a baby could be heard crying.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
The crying seemed to be coming from the fireball, and as it got louder and closer, he could see a small dark round thing in the middle of the fireball. As a countryman, he instantly knew what it was. It was a baby head cup in a fireball sent to him by his spiritual enemies. He quickly crossed his legs in an X, and as soon as the fireball passed him by, him pick up and foot him and splurt before it could return. The baby head cup is a spiritual weapon used by sinister spiritual workers. They get access to the skull of a baby, performs a ritual and sends it to attack an unsuspecting victim. If that fireball ever salads the victim, he or she is done for. Him run home, slam him door and waited out the night as he heard strange noises coming from the bushes outside. He stayed up until morning, plotting his next move. He never saw it again.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories for more.